Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you heard about Nike's a little different but definitely intriguing new product called Nike Mind? It's Nike's first neuroscience-based footwear, and it's supposed to help you improve focus, mindfulness, and your mind-body connection through the soles of your feet. Yes, you heard that right, shoes that train your brain. But how practical is it? Are the claims real? And is it worth the price? Let's find out. Nike Mind comes in two styles, the Mind 001 Mule and the Mind 002 Lace-Up Sneaker. The Mule goes for $95 while the sneaker is $145, launching early next year. Both feature these crazy 22 independent foam nodes embedded in the sole that move like tiny pistons to stimulate pressure points on your feet and activate sensory areas in your brain. That alone sounds pretty futuristic and cool, but what does it actually do? Nike's science team says this underfoot stimulation helps athletes lock in their mindset by increasing awareness and grounding them in the present moment. So, before or after a workout or competition, these shoes are supposed to tune your brain for better focus and resilience. Sounds impressive, but does it work in the real world? The concept is backed by lab research, including brain and body imaging, which is definitely solid. But for everyday users or casual athletes, will you feel a tangible difference? The foam nodes definitely give a unique sensory feeling, almost like walking on air with a bit of pressure massage. However, this isn't your performance sneaker for running miles or making crazy jumps, it's more about mental prep and recovery. So don't expect game-changing speed or support. Think of it as a mindfulness tool built into your footwear. That said, some might find the sensation distracting or even uncomfortable during long sessions. At $95 and $145, Nike Mind shoes sit in an interesting spot. They're not cheap, but they're also reasonable compared to high-end sneakers in the market. If you value mental wellness and want to experiment with cutting-edge tech integrated into your routine, it could be worth trying. But if you're looking for an all-around athletic shoe or something that'll boost your physical performance, you might want to look elsewhere. Also, as a new tech, it will probably take time for user feedback to really clarify how effective it is beyond the lab. Is it practical? For some, yes. Especially if you want a new way to stay focused and calm, but don't expect magic. And the price? Fair for what it offers. But approach it as an experimental wellness sneaker, not just another pair of trainers. If you have plans to try these, drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.